We have come to expect unusual sounding animals and fruits from the depths of the rainforest to have deadly dining consequences. But there are regular foods that should also come with a warning sign. In this video, we count down some of the most deadly foods that people actually eat. Number 14, starfruit. If you have bad kidneys, just 100 milliliter of juice from this fruit can be poisonous because it contains neurotoxins that affect the brain and nerves. Only people with healthy kidneys are safe, as the body can cope with the toxins. Number 13, rhubarb leaves. The leaves on a rhubarb contain oxalic acid that form deadly crystals in your kidneys. Symptoms include trouble breathing, nausea, diarrhea, eye pain, red urine, and burning in the mouth or throat. So don't put them in your pie. Number 12, raw cashews. Don't be fooled, cashews sold in supermarkets are steamed to remove poisonous chemicals. They are not raw. In their raw state, they contain urushiol, which can also be found in poison ivy. Number 11, elderberries. Elderberries must be eaten fully ripe and properly cooked without the leaves, twigs, and seeds, as they contain cyanide. Eating them unripe or undercooked can cause diarrhea and seizures. Now we get into more of the crazier food items. Number 10, monkey brains. Available mainly in Asia, monkey brains can be eaten raw, cooked, or baked. However, they contain an illness called variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which can cause death. So yeah, 3 reasons not to eat monkey brains. Number 1, monkeys are adorable. 2, brains are gross. And 3, you could die. Number 9, cassava. You must eat this South American plant boiled, fried, steamed, or mashed, as it contains a high concentration of linamarin, which turns into cyanide when eaten raw. In 2005, 25 children died in the Philippines after eating cassava as a school snack. Number 8, physic. This fermented fish is eaten on the day of the Spring Festival in Egypt after being dried in the sun and fermented in salt for up to a year. This year so far, 6 people have been hospitalized. In 2009 and 2010, 4 people died. So yeah, that fish is way past its expiration date. Number 7, Casa Marzu. In Sardinia and Italy, this rotten cheese is left uncovered, allowing flies to lay eggs inside. Maggots cause the cheese's fermentation, and once consumed, larvae can bore through the intestinal walls, causing severe illness. And this may just be the most disgusting thing I have ever heard of. Number 6, Hakari. This rotten-smelling shark from Greenland is cured for up to 6 months, cut into slices and served with rye bread. The shark doesn't have a kidney or urinary tract, so toxic substances are filtered to the skin. Number 5, blood clams. These Chinese clams contain many viruses and bacteria such as hepatitis A and E, typhoid, and dysentery. You know, I bet it's the hepatitis that gives it a lot of flavor. More than 300,000 people were infected and 31 died in Shanghai in 1988. Around 15% of people who eat blood clams gets infected, and yet people still eat this stuff. You know, people who die from eating this really should receive Darwin Awards. Number 4, sanakji. This small octopus from Korea has suction cups that maintain their grip even after the octopus dies. Around 6 people a year die from choking while eating sanakji. You know, it's sad, but this is a really gripping way to die. Number 3, ackee. This Jamaican fruit should be eaten fully ripe without its seeds. It contains toxic black seeds and the poison hypoglycin, which can cause the Jamaican vomiting sickness. In 2011, there were 35 cases of poisoning by the fruit. Number 2, bullfrog. African nations eat the whole frog, not just the legs. Young frogs who haven't started to mate are the most dangerous, as they carry a toxin that can cause kidney failure. And finally, number 1, the most deadly food that people actually eat: fugu. Fugu is a Japanese pufferfish that can be eaten raw, fried, made into fugusaki, boiled fugu, or with miso. The liver and internal organs contain the deadly poison tetrodotoxin. There have been up to 44 fatalities reported between 1996 and 2006, and 5 men died this year after specifically asking for the liver. I think the takeaway from this video is, if your food smells like poo, has maggots in it, or is a brain, then maybe stay away. Thanks for watching, everybody.